Today's video is a response to a comment I recently received. Basically, I was asked how my health is doing because I've mentioned in the past that I have gastroesophageal reflux disease, also known as GERD. And I've talked about how this makes it a bad idea for me to do strenuous exercises. Now, to clarify, it's not that I don't do any exercising. I mean, I can get a pretty good workout just doing my job at that shitty hole-in-the-wall pizza restaurant. Plus, I sometimes do things like squats, jumping jacks, jogging, and light lifting. I've learned the hard way to really limit how much I lift and for how long. And I've also learned to just not do push-ups, sit-ups, or planks. But yeah, this GERD issue is why I decided to try out a plant-based diet. I heard that it was a good way of treating GERD, but of course, not all vegan foods are good for GERD sufferers, and some are bad for the waistline. Actually, I had a bunch of weight I was trying to lose for months, and when some of it finally started to go away, my mom had a birthday party and I wound up with a bunch of vegan cake, vegan cookies, vegan ice cream, vegan cheese, chips, and crackers, and it's just not going to be easy keeping the weight off if I don't want all that vegan food to just go to waste. So physically, I'm not real healthy at the moment. I'm a little overweight, and I still have GERD, and I'm eating some stuff I shouldn't be eating. But what about my mental health? Don't let the smiley face fool you. I was already stressed and depressed prior to this pandemic lockdown social distancing shit, but now it's even worse. Again, as I mentioned in the video prior to this one, it's complicating the progression of my pickup skills. But to make matters worse, my YouTube channel is really struggling right now. I get hardly any views, I lose subscribers about as often as I gain them. This, of course, makes it harder for me to monetize my channel, which I'm starting to think I should have just given up on a long time ago. But what am I supposed to do instead? I mean, the point of making money off YouTube videos is to get paid to do something I actually enjoy doing. So what am I supposed to replace YouTube with? I don't know. Don't get me wrong. I sometimes question how much I even enjoy making YouTube videos. Making a video is typically only fun if I'm doing it for fun. If I'm doing it because I'm actively trying to reel in views and subscribers so I can make money off my videos, that's actually not very fun. This is part of why I support ideas like universal basic income and a resource-based global economy. If we had a UBI of at least $1,000 per month or more, then I wouldn't need to do anything extra to bring in additional income on top of what I earn at my pizza job, because I would already have my additional income in the form of UBI. Or better yet, if we did an RBE, I wouldn't even have to work at some shitty job. I could get whatever I need without a price tag, while machines did all the work that nobody actually wants to do. But of course, there are no politicians even talking about doing an RBE. It's up to organizations like the Venus Project, Zeitgeist Movement, and One Community. At least the politicians are talking UBI though, so I guess that's progress. Hey, look at that. As bad as things are, there's a glimmer of hope.